Hello and welcome to this video. Today I'll be guiding you through a comparison between AWeber and GetResponse, two popular email marketing platforms. If you'd like to follow along, be sure to check out the link in the description to sign up for a free trial or log in to your account. Let's start with AWeber. AWeber has been a trusted name in the email marketing space for quite some time, especially for small businesses and entrepreneurs. What sets AWeber apart is its user-friendly interface, making it a great choice for those who are new to email marketing. The drag-and-drop email builder allows you to create campaigns quickly and easily, and there are plenty of templates to choose from. One of the standout features is AWeber's basic automation capabilities, such as creating simple email sequences or setting up autoresponders based on subscriber actions. This is ideal for businesses looking to send consistent and timely messages without needing advanced technical knowledge. Additionally, AWeber's list management tools help you organize your contacts and send more personalized content, increasing engagement and click-through rates. For businesses seeking an easy-to-use platform that covers the essentials of email marketing, AWeber's free plan provides a great starting point. You get access to all the core features without having to worry about complicated setups, making it a solid choice for beginners. Now, let's move on to GetResponse. GetResponse is another powerful tool in the email marketing space, and while it shares many similarities with AWeber, it comes with a few added benefits. One of the major advantages of GetResponse is its more advanced automation features. You can build complex workflows that allow for personalized, behavior-based emails, which can significantly improve engagement and sales. What's unique about GetResponse is that apart from email marketing, it also offers features like landing page builders, webinars, and CRM tools, making it more of an all-in-one solution. For those looking to expand their online presence and integrate other marketing tools, GetResponse offers more versatility in comparison to AWeber. The free plan on GetResponse, while also limited in features, allows users to experience some of its advanced tools, making it ideal for businesses that are ready to scale and need more than just basic email marketing. It's especially great for those who want to combine email with other digital marketing strategies like webinars or landing page optimization. In conclusion, AWeber is a fantastic choice for small businesses and entrepreneurs who need a simple, reliable email marketing platform that's easy to use. On the other hand, GetResponse is more suitable for those looking for more advanced automation and additional marketing tools, offering a broader range of features to support business growth. I'm offering a free email list building course in the description below where you can learn how my team and I generate over $80,000 in commissions while growing our email list. The training is completely free right now, so don't miss your chance to check it out. Thanks for watching.